Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, or should I say two. Now this here is from Wuben. This is the X0. Now I was sent both of these by Flashlight Go. Now I was sent two versions. One has the Samsung LH3651D, which is a 5000 Kelvin. This one is the OSRAM P9. Has 6000 or 6500 Kelvin, so it's going to be a cool white. Two different colors, come in two different boxes. They wanted me to test and review them. Look here on the specs, kind of small here. 1100 lumens is the highest output that these can do, which is a lot of light for such a small compact light. Alright, these are sealed up, so let's go ahead and get these open, see what's in. It's always cool to get the new Wuben lights. I've done quite a few reviews for them over the years, directly and indirectly. I'm going to take everything out of the box here first, since they're pretty much the same. Now there is a sticker on these, and they're letting you know that they come locked out, so don't think that you got a broken light. You're going to click it 4 times from off to lock out the light. There's the white color. Here's the black color. Same sticker on there, letting you know that it is locked out. You get one USB charging cable, 2 O-rings. Now there's already O-rings on it, but those are just extra. Here's the user manual, which is just a little book, multi-languages. Now it is a Type-C charging cable, so that's nice. This one here has the cool white LED. This one here has the 5000, which is just a white. That's what they look like here up close. I like the machining and finish on this, as well as this. Very nice. The charging port is hidden by the power switch, and it is magnetic. Kind of liking the white one a little more than the black one. It's got the clip on these. These are really strong clips. You just clip it to your shirt pocket, pant pocket. Now these are also magnetic hands-free, your choice, easily hold their weight. The battery is enclosed in them. Really is a nice feature to be able to do that. Hands-free. Let's take a look here closer at the special optics. Again, two different LEDs. Black one has the cool white. This one has the white. Alright, now let's get these unlocked because they are locked out. So it's 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light is on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light is on. And you could see the difference in the color temp there. And we're going to press down and hold to go through those light outputs. See the color temp there on the table, and then back down. Now you can double click to get the highest output. And we can double click on this one as well. You can see the color temperatures there. I really like the 5K. And I like the way it slowly goes down from the highest output. We're going to turn them off here. Now from off, you double click. We'll get you a strobe. And that is variable speed on the flashes. And at the full light output, which are distracting. Click it one time, shuts them off. These do have memory mode. So if you want to turn it off, they will go back on to the light level that you had it on there. Turn it on here for this one. See the beam color temps there. So now we're going to take a look here at the beam. Use the cool white. You can see a little bit of a centralized hotspot there, but it pretty much tapers off on the spill. A really wide spill area, as you can see here. See how that is? Straight out. It's going to be more flood. Same goes for this light. And that's all there is to these lights. Pretty simple and easy to operate. Definitely great for everyday carry. I really like the lever on here and the USB Type-C charging. This here is a battery level indicator. We turn it on here, turn it back down. That's also a battery level indicator, charging indicator. This will start to blink red when this is critically low. Nice idea from Wuben. My hat's off to them on this. These things feel very rugged. Got some weight to them. Solid. Now, you do have the option to be able to take the battery out here. If you have a special ring pliers, you can do so. I'm not going to do so because the batteries are new, so there's no reason to do so, but these here are running, I believe, are a 18350 battery, which you can upgrade at a later point. It's nice to be able to do that as well. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take these X0s out, see how they do in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wuben X0. We're going to do the cool white version first. OSRAM P9. I'll go ahead and turn it on. And it is on. Very hard to see at this light output. Great for up close and personal. Probably about 10 feet. This light output. Let's go to the next level here. Nice little jump. Increase the range. Water spout. You can faintly make it on that. It is on the fence. Kind of give you an idea how floody the beam is. It does have a large hot spot there though. Let's go up here again. 65 feet to that tree there. Water spout 38 feet. Now if you have any doubts on distances in my videos, there's a link below and I go over all the distances. Let's go up to the next level here. Nice beam performance, especially for this little tiny of a light. If we do turbo here, very nice light output here. 138 feet there to the tree of life. Remember, this cool white is going to be a little bit more brighter as far as light output compared to the white. So let me grab the other one and we'll just go ahead and put it on turbo. Unlock it there and you can see the difference in that, and we'll go back down through the light outputs on this one. Now this to me is one of my favorite. 5K and a little bit cooler is fine. And we're going to go down to the lowest light output here, as you can see. Trying to turn it on. You can see about 10 feet. We'll raise it up here. Same performance. Kelvin is a little bit warmer. And there's turbo. Really liking this 5K. You let me know what you guys think. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. What did you think of the night shots? Kind of like the white. The Samsung LED to me has a little bit better color temp. This would be my absolute max cool white that I would use on anything myself. Anything warmer than this is 4000K and it's more brown, yellowish color. I'm not into that. But these two ranges, this one here being one I would prefer personally, but the cool white would be the maximum coolness on this color temp is what I would use on anything out there on my adventures. The build quality on these X0s are very nice. Not seeing any issues. The machining and finish on these are very nice. The weight of them, it's pretty solid. You know, they got some weight to them. Easily clip them on a shirt, especially on your front shirt pocket or jacket, and it'll still be hands-free on your body, or you can stick it on a metal surface. The USB Type-C charging system is a huge plus. It's going to get this thing charged up relatively quickly. Now these batteries can be replaced if you have some ring pliers, but these are new, so I'm not going to do so. But you can do the battery replacement later on if you do have issues. You can easily replace those and put a new one in there and you're ready to go. The Samsung LED is impressive. The P9, of course, is impressive. Different color temp. Now the USB, just having a magnetic cover like that, but there's like a little rubber coating here. So I'm not too sure how well this will do with keeping water out of that port. So you definitely don't want to use this in wet weather. Maybe a little rain would be okay, but that would be it. Really enjoyed these lights. They have a huge spill area, so that is impressive. The spot, kind of further out it gets, becomes more of a flood, but it does have a centralized area of the beam where it's focused in. Easy UI, no issues with that. Lock these out because you don't want to accidentally turn them on, especially if you have it memorized on the highest output. Okay, well, I want to thank Flashlight Go for sending me these Wuben X0s to review. Now, if any of these versions are something you're interested in getting, remember they're complete flashlight kits. I will leave a link down in the description box below where you can get either versions of these, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Wuben's Flashlight Goes to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.